Hey,
Hello.
good evening.
Good evening.
Oh, have you been to the shower?
Yeah,
Okay, okay. How are you today?
I'm great.
What did you do?
I'm gonna play with my friends, but my sister's a thunder. I want to stay with you, and I cannot go. And my friends don't come, and I cannot play today. And I do a shower because I go to the bathroom and do it something. It was my tummy was hurt, and I did something, and the, I had the diarrhea.
Oh, are you okay? What did you eat?
I don't know. Today my food was some noodles and rice and some some things and apple and kimchi and like that yummy things. But I did.
Oh, probably you had some indigestions because you ate so many things. You ate
Mm.
so many. Oh, wipe your. Oh, please wipe your hair first. Wipe your
But
hair
I have
first.
no towel here.
Ah. Oh, look at your clothes. It's wet. I think it's going to be wet later if you don't dry your hair.
But I have no towel with that.
Oh, where's your towel?
It's in the bathroom.
Oh, okay. So your hair is still very wet. It's going to your clothes, your pajama is going to be wet later if you don't wipe your hair with a towel. Is it
And
okay
I
with
need,
you?
but I get out and mommy will be, why you out then? I need to do my thing. And the mommy look angry.
Ah, okay. So it's okay for you that your hair is too wet?
It's really wet. My hands is wet too.
Yeah, that's why your hair is still very wet. Oh, you, okay. You tell mommy. Mommy teacher Lisa asked me to wipe my hair first.
Okay.
Oh,
Uh,
much, much better, right? It's not,
I
yeah.
dry with dry like that. Not
Mm,
a towel, another dry gift
mhm.
in Korean, but I don't know in
Yeah,
English. And I dry and like a towel and do it and dry. And this is more better.
yeah, it is. It is.
And the dry was hot and I need to eat boil it, cool boil it.
Okay, so because we don't want your top pajama to get wet. So if your clothes get wet, oh, it's not going to do, or it's not okay for your back, right? It's not okay
Hmm.
for your back. So that's why it's okay for me. Okay, it's okay. We will ask mommy if that happens again. We will ask mommy, can I dry? Teacher Lisa, it's okay to dry my hair first because it's dripping wet. Okay. Oh, do you have any stories before we go to the book?
Yeah,
What's
but
your
I had
story?
one. My sister said, "Don't go," and we come back home. And mommy said, "My friend, it was not coming one. My friend was busy and she cannot come out."
Is your sister crying? Was she crying?
She wanted to go together, but I said, Mommy said no. And she said, I want to go to. And she cried in the taekwondo class many times. And my teachers and taekwondo teachers said, don't cry. And she gave point and she and they gave some yummy candies and sweet, but she don't stop crying.
Oh my. But right now, is she okay now? Is she
Yeah.
still crying outside?
No, she's not crying.
Ah, okay. Anyways, oh, I want to show you my snacks today.
Ooh.
Okay, wait a minute. Oh, I already ate one, but it looks like this one. I'm not sure if you can see. Pasta.
Yeah, I cannot do it really well because it's
Creamy,
creamy what?
city,
Sweet
creamy, city, pasta.
pasta.
Yeah.
Then can you show you in a image the picture? But it's very murky. It's very
Oh, wait a minute. I'm not sure if I can find a picture of that. Wait a minute.
I just get the window my friend is playing. No, my friend's not here.
Okay, I'm going to find a picture about it. Okay. So it's very, very yummy. Very, very yummy. Where is that one?
Ooh. It's from 7-Eleven.
Yes. I bought it from 7-Eleven and oh, my second snack will be later. I bought this one.
Ooh, what is that?
Cream cheese pimientos. It's like a sandwich with a lot of cheese inside.
Hmm.
So second, this is going to be later. I like pasta. Do you like pasta?
Yeah, I like tomato pasta. My sister like cream pasta.
Okay. What did you eat? What did you eat for snacks today?
I eat yogurt and pear and some tomatoes.
The big tomatoes or the small ones?
Small one.
Okay. Anyway, so are you ready for our? Do you have other stories, or we go to the book now?
Mm, what's your story? You have a story?
Not so much because it is very hot in the Philippines right now. So I don't want to go out. I did not
Mm,
go to the market. I did not go to somewhere else. Just house and work. So I don't have any stories to tell you now.
mm,
Okay? So we go to the
okay.
book now.
But Rita, why Philippines has just one weather?
The Philippines.
Yeah.
Okay. From January to May, it's the dry season. So it's very, very hot, especially April and May. It's really very hot. So starting June, we have the wet season or the rainy season. So we have a lot of typhoons, right? It's
Mm,
gonna be rainy starting June. So two seasons only. The summer months is usually April and May. It's
I,
under the dry, okay, the dry season. But it's always hot in the Philippines. So
I have
many
many
people go to
weather.
the beach.
But
So we
I
go
have
to the
many
beach.
weather.
What?
You go to the beach every day?
Not really every day, but I can see the beach every. My city is surrounded by water. So,
Really? My
yeah.
my city is just a ground.
Oh, you want to see my city?
No, in water city, then I can swim.
Before we used to swim every day. Every day. Oh, look at wait a minute. I'm going to show you my city. Wait a minute. It's 36 degrees right now.
City green.
Okay. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to show you my city. Oh, it's very, very slow. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Uh-huh. So we have a lot of. Okay, wait a minute. Hmm. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. I'm going to show you our place. Uh, okay. This one.
Hmm? Oh, this your city. Well, your house is here, and is water all around.
We are very near the beach, like uh more than 1 kilometer only. So it will take around 10 minutes by car. Less than 10 minutes by car. You can go to the beach already.
And you can just walk to beach.
Yeah, we can. We can walk to the beach. You can walk to
I
the beach.
need to walk to the beach right there.
Oh, oh, like this one or another one. See, my city is surrounded by water.
Oh,
Water,
you're
water,
very
water.
happy because your city is uh like in water.
Yeah, we are surrounded by water, rivers, beaches. Okay, we have it. Okay, we have it. So
And I
we,
go visa in the winter, but we don't have no winter. But when Visa come to Korea, she gonna be happy. She gonna see snow, and I
yes,
so
I hope
happy,
to.
Visa.
How I wish I could go to your country. Okay, okay. Oh, let's go back now. Let's go back now to our book, okay? I'm going to show you more of my city tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Oh, where are we now? Page 43. Okay, we are going to complete the sentences. You insert the word. Like example, Sally is
Is wait always.
always late.
Mm,
Sally is always
Wait.
okay. What about the second one?
We go to the cinema. Sometimes we go to the cinema sometimes.
Try again. Where are you
Sometimes
going?
we go to cinema.
We sometimes go.
To cinema.
We sometimes go to the cinema.
Cinema. In Korean is like this. Cinema.
Oh, okay. How about this one?
Jay and Jen go to the
Where are you going to put never?
Jen and John go not never go to the
Jason and John never go to the, what is this one?
we don't know.
Theater.
What is a theater?
Yes, the theater. Okay. So Jason and John never go to the theater. Okay?
Sila
Okay? Okay.
okay.
Let's go to the next one. Oh, you're going to use seldom. Where are you going to insert the word seldom?
I watch YouTube on my phone.
Oh,
Seldom. I watch YouTube. Seldom I watch YouTube on my phone.
okay, wait a minute. So we are going to insert here. I seldom watch.
Seldom I watch
Oh,
YouTube
no, 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 no.
phone.
You say I first. You say I. I seldom.
I seldom watch YouTube on my phone.
Very good. Okay. On next.
You did not call often.
You.
Often
Where
you did call.
where are you going to insert often?
And here. Do, 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 do.
So where are you going to you
You often did
often
call.
don't you often don't
call.
Call. Okay. Oh, the last sentence. Usually, or you're going to use the word usually.
Okay, he doesn't meet his girlfriend in cafe. He usually doesn't meet his girlfriend in cafe.
Okay, he usually doesn't meet his girlfriend in cafe. Very good. Or do you have any questions?
Hmm. Do you have many friends?
I do. I have so many friends, but my
Do you
close
have
friends,
boyfriend?
bo- both, no boyfriend yet, but I
I
have so
have no
many.
boyfriend too.
You are not allowed to have boyfriends yet. You're still very young. But I have so many friends who happens to be boys, men.
But
Okay,
I don't know boys, but I have many girlfriends.
hmm. So close friends from I think I think six best friends. Six best
Mhm.
friends.
I have so many. Joy and Sura and Siwan and Yuju and Billy. Story and Tamura and Howin and so many fun. I'm gonna count the way. Joy, Yura and Sura, Siwan, Howin, Yuju, Story, and I don't know, it's so many.
Too many.
Hmm. And in my, I was one grade star. My old friend was in the same class, but now my best friend story is my class now.
Okay, wait a minute. So this time you are going to use the adverbs of frequency. So you can use never, usually, always. Always is 100%, right? Always, usually, sometimes, seldom. Okay. So question number one, Rina, how often do you go to school?
Hmm. Oh, well, I went to school many times, but I go to somewhere or I'm sick or I go to a trip, then I cannot go to school.
So, so can we say I always go to school? Can we
I
say
don't,
that one?
I just say I go usually.
I usually. So can you say it? I usually
I usually
go
go.
to school.
Mhm.
Okay, next question. How often do you take the bus to school? So how
I
do you go to school?
never. I don't. I just walk to school.
So I never take
A bus
to
to
school.
school.
So how many minutes how many minutes do you go to school? From your
Mm,
house to school. How many
Many days
minutes?
I go like this. Like this, I go many times, or I go this time too.
Oh, okay. Next, how often do your friends visit your home? Or like, for example, Joy. How often do you think Joy goes to your house?
Joey, Joey like my brother. He's very cute and Joey wanna touch his hair and my brother don't like Joey and say ah!
So
And
how
then Joey say
often?
why Luan don't like me and she touch Luan and say ah!
Okay, so how often do your friends visit your home?
My
Usually, always, sometimes.
birthday and birthday party and my house usually I think
Okay, they
usually come to my home,
visit my home.
visit my home.
Okay, question number 4. How often does your grandma visit your home?
Mm, yes, I think what is
Sometimes,
never up.
never, seldom, sometimes.
I think sometimes she he they come into my birthday and my brother's birthday, sister's birthday, and some day special or kiss day many times.
So, can we say sometimes?
Yeah,
She sometimes, she sometimes
sometimes.
visit my
I think it's sometimes.
sometimes. Our next question. How often does your dad cook breakfast? Oh,
But not many times. Is um, all
he
usually.
he usually cooks breakfast. Can you say it? He usually.
He usually cook breakfast.
Okay. How often do you come to school late? Oh, were you late in school? So how often do you come to school late? Never? Seldom?
My school weight is this. And well, it's not really many times. And what is the never get up? What is it?
Seldom.
Seldom up,
Sometimes.
sometime up,
Usually.
usually off,
Always.
always up.
Oh, that's always is 100%.
Oh, that I that usually.
So you're always late for school?
No, that's I usually wait school. Not so many.
How can we say seldom?
Okay,
Seldom.
just
Oh,
seldom. I go wait school is later than that. I used to seldom.
oh, I seldom go to school late. Oh, but we don't have much time. So tomorrow again.
Bye
Okay? Good night. Bye.
bye.